Italy, a land of timeless beauty, where ancient civilizations, rugged mountains, and pristine shores meet. From the towering Alps in the north to the sun-kissed coastlines of the south, Italy offers an enchanting array of landscapes, each one brimming with history, culture, and unparalleled natural beauty. Whether you're wandering through iconic cities or venturing into untouched corners, Italy reveals itself in layers, both familiar and unknown. Our journey begins in the north, where the snow-capped peaks of the Alps dominate the landscape. These towering mountains are a natural boundary, dividing Italy from its neighbors and offering some of the most breathtaking views in Europe. Nestled among these peaks is Lago di Braies, often called the Pearl of the Dolomites. Its turquoise waters reflect the surrounding mountains, creating a postcard-perfect image that seems almost too beautiful to be real. A serene boat ride on this lake is like gliding through a painting, offering an escape into nature's most tranquil corners. Not far from Lago di Braies, Cortina d'Ampezzo stands as a world-class ski resort offering more than just winter sports. In the warmer months, the surrounding area transforms into a hiker's paradise, with winding trails leading to alpine meadows and glacial lakes. The Cinque Terre, a set of iconic rocky towers, offers panoramic views and a glimpse into the area's history, once the site of intense World War I battles. Whether you're skiing down the slopes in winter or hiking through wildflower-filled meadows in summer, the Alps offer a timeless escape. Moving south, we arrive at Venice, a city like no other. Built on a network of islands in the Venetian Lagoon, Venice is famous for its canals, gondolas, and stunning architecture. The city seems to float on the water, a labyrinth of narrow streets and charming piazzas, where each turn leads to a new discovery. The Rialto Bridge and St. Mark's Square are world-renowned, but the magic of Venice is also in the quieter, less-traveled corners. Wander through the hidden alleys, and you might stumble upon a secluded cafe, a quiet canal, or a small art gallery that reveals the city's lesser-known beauty. However, the Venetian Lagoon has even more to offer. Burano, a small island just a short boat ride from Venice, is famous for its brightly colored houses and its lace-making tradition. A stroll through Burano feels like stepping into a living painting, with vibrant houses lining the canals and the gentle hum of everyday life filling the air. Just nearby, Torcello, the oldest of the Venetian islands, offers a different atmosphere, a tranquil spot with ancient ruins, including the Byzantine Cathedral of Santa Maria Assunta. Heading southward, the rolling hills of Tuscany unfold, offering an idyllic landscape of vineyards, olive groves, and cypress trees. This region is a true embodiment of Italy's rural charm, where every vista feels like a scene from a Renaissance painting. The famous city of Florence, with its awe-inspiring Duomo and art-filled museums, is a must-visit for those drawn to Italy's artistic and cultural history. Yet Tuscany's true magic is often found in its countryside. In the small villages like San Gimignano, known for its medieval towers, or Volterra, a hilltop town famous for its Etruscan ruins and alabaster craftsmanship. Beyond the cities, the Tuscan landscape offers countless hidden gems. The Val d'Orcia, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is home to sweeping views of golden wheat fields and charming farmhouses. In spring, the valley is carpeted with wildflowers, while autumn brings a golden hue as the vineyards prepare for harvest. Exploring this area by car or bike allows travelers to discover hidden vineyards and family-owned wineries where you can taste some of Italy's finest wines, including the famed Brunello di Montalcino. As we journey farther south, we arrive at Rome, a city that needs no introduction. Known as the Eternal City, Rome is a living museum where ancient history coexists with modern life. The Colosseum, Pantheon, and Roman Forum are iconic symbols of the city's grandeur. But the true allure of Rome lies in its many layers. Tucked between bustling streets and crowded piazzas, there are quieter spots like Villa Borghese, a sprawling park that offers a peaceful retreat from the city's hustle. The Borghese Gallery inside the park houses one of Italy's finest art collections, showcasing works by Bernini, Caravaggio, and Raphael. Venture out of the city center, and you'll discover the charming neighborhood of Trastevere, where cobbled streets lead to lively squares filled with outdoor cafes and local trattorias. The churches here, like Santa Maria in Trastevere, are architectural gems, and the area's lively atmosphere offers a true taste of Roman life. For a more panoramic view of Rome, climb to the top of Janiculum Hill, where you'll find spectacular vistas of the city stretching to the horizon. South of Rome lies Naples, a city known for its vibrant street life, historic significance, and of course, its pizza. Yet just a short drive away lies one of Italy's most breathtaking coastlines, the Amalfi Coast. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a series of cliffside towns that seem to tumble into the crystal-clear waters of the Mediterranean Sea. Positano, with its colorful buildings cascading down the mountainside, is a favorite destination for those seeking a picture-perfect beach vacation. But the Amalfi Coast holds many other treasures. Ravello, perched high above the sea, offers stunning views and a more peaceful atmosphere, while Amalfi itself, with its cathedral and historic town square, offers a blend of history and seaside beauty. Further south, the Mount Vesuvius looms over the Bay of Naples, an active volcano that famously erupted in 79 AD, burying the Roman cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum in volcanic ash. A hike to the summit of Vesuvius offers spectacular views of Naples and the surrounding coastline, while the ruins of Pompeii provide an extraordinary glimpse into ancient Roman life, preserved in the ash of the eruption. Finally, our journey brings us to Sicily, an island rich in history and natural beauty. The ancient ruins of Valley of the Temples in Agrigento showcase the island's Greek heritage, while the historic city of Palermo reveals the influence of various cultures that have shaped Sicily over the centuries. But beyond the cities and archaeological sites, Sicily offers stunning landscapes, from the active volcano Mount Etna to the dramatic cliffs of the Zingaro Nature Reserve. The island is also home to Cefalù, a medieval town perched on the coast, where narrow streets lead to a sandy beach and a dramatic hilltop cathedral. Further south, the islands of the Aeolian, a group of volcanic islands, are a paradise for nature lovers. These islands offer secluded beaches, crystal-clear waters, and dramatic landscapes shaped by volcanic activity. Hiking to the top of Stromboli, one of the most active volcanoes in the world, provides an exhilarating experience and an unforgettable view of the erupting volcano at night. From the soaring Alps in the north to the sun-drenched shores of Sicily, Italy is a land that celebrates both its rich heritage and its natural wonders. The blend of cultural significance and raw beauty is unlike anywhere else in the world, with each corner offering new stories, landscapes, and experiences. Italy's true magic lies in its diversity. It is a country where every road leads to another adventure. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, scaling mountain peaks, wandering through medieval villages, or relaxing by the beach, Italy offers a unique adventure for everyone. For those who seek to uncover its most hidden and breathtaking places, Italy remains a boundless treasure trove waiting to be explored.